Now, another thing that can help really accelerate your wealth growth is that I love about laundromats is that laundromats don't need to be a full-time gig for you. And what that can do for you is give you an opportunity to, number one, leverage other people's time and effort by hiring them to do things like clean your laundromat, even manage your laundromat, lower cost per hour things that free up your time to be able to do higher cost per hour things. For example, I know a lot of people who've done coaching calls with me are, engineers, like dentists, doctors, lawyers, a ton of different, high paying professions. Well, it doesn't really make sense for you to come clean your laundromat if you can make a lot more per hour in your W-2 job. So now you have money that you're making, putting minimal hours. It's making money while you're doing other things like making money in your W-2 job. It could also give you just time freedom to, go look for another laundromat to buy or a real estate investment or, learn about Bitcoin. I don't know. However you want to make money. You can kind of double dip. You're making money with your business while you're not there, but while you're making money doing something else. So now you're making twice the money or more, and in the same amount of time. And you can see how that can really start to compound, if you have multiple laundromats all making money for you while you're doing something else. The other thing that it can do for you, maybe you don't want to spend your time making money some other way. Maybe you want to just live the millionaire lifestyle and just do whatever you want to do with your time, spend time with family, go on vacations, I don't know, go on your sea-doos, whatever you do, and so while your laundromats are making money, you have this time freedom to go do those things and live like a millionaire, maybe even before you have $1 million in the bank. So just super, super powerful. And there's a lot of other ways, including using leverage, including, when you use leverage, there's, inflation benefits that you benefit from by making payments in the future that are not inflation adjusted. I mean, there's just so many financial benefits to owning a laundromat that really accelerate wealth. Now, all that's awesome.